How to share Temu product to Facebook Messenger. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share Temu product to Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. So for example, this is the product that I wish to share. Once you have opened the product post, you're going to click on this arrow icon here at the top right corner and you'll be able to see a couple of options that you can select from. So you can either simply click on copy link and open the chat in Messenger and paste the link over there, or you can do it directly through Temu. In order to do so, click on this arrow over here and select Messenger from the list. And then you're going to click on open. Here, you're going to select the chat of the person who you wish to share the product. So for example, I'm going to select this one. You're going to click on send button right next to their name. And now when you open their chat, you'll be able to see that that product post has been sent. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.